For the record, I'm done trying to make y'all comfortable. For the record, you ain't trying to grow, then it's done for you. For the record, lab on me going all the way. For the record, ain't trying to link, no time to waste. For the record, for the record, yeah. For the.
All right, what is going on, guys? We're getting ready to pull in here to Elk Creek Dragway. We're a little late today. My buddy Cashy, we're hoping that there is what in the world is in the road? Just a bag. We're hoping that we haven't missed the Power Wheels race. There's actually there's a line to get in the gate right now, actually, so, which is pretty awesome. It is blocks, no prep mayhem today. We tried last night. I actually didn't pull out a camera just because I had a feeling it was gonna rain. It sure enough did. It rained pretty good last night. Got to run a little bit. I'm gonna, if I can, show the pictures. I took some pictures for Spooled Media, and he got a new to him, just a new camera, and it is absolutely insane. Like it's wild. It's the best camera I've ever touched. I think it's like a Nikon something or other. It's pretty freaking awesome, and I am hoping I'll get some pictures of that, show you that. The Dirk ran block first round of Rome What You Brung, and he block won, and I got some pretty sweet pictures. Got some pictures of this guy. So we have his Mustang out here. Yes, so we got some pictures here, and some stuff going on today. Small tire today, hoping that the rain holds off. It's looking pretty rough, but we'll see. And hopefully I can get you some video today. Hopefully gonna have some GoPro footage, all that good stuff. So we're gonna get into it down here, get the car unloaded, do an anti-rain dance, and get into it.
I need to bump. Like,
it
takes me time. I got a small motor.
Can you give him a first nod and then a big nod?
Okay, I mean, or just a bump.
If you can, if one of your guys can give me a kind of an indicator when he's getting close.
I mean, I'll stand in front of the damn truck.
There we go.
I trust him. I just want to get some bitch on.
When you're ready.
Yeah, right, that's what we'll do.
All right. When
I'll
you
put
move,
my hand on the windshield
we're going into action.
All right.
So now the driver, whoever races him, just to be so we're all on the same page. Just pay attention whenever you see him start to move, so don't burn yourself.
He needs to go in first.
Yeah,
exactly.
He's gonna go in first.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
If I get another turbo car, I'll go in first.
Okay, absolutely. Fair enough. All right, cool deal. Flashlight. Like I said, we'll make the calls. Ain't a bunch of arguing. I mean, we got a finish line guy with a camera. We got 2 jump cameras up here.
Lights on time.
I mean, it's pretty simple. 28. Long as it's got 28.
All right, so we drew third pair. Joe Nestor in his 55 Chevy, all steel, all glass, very pretty car. So all steel, all glass versus all steel, all glass. This is our first lick. Very cool. Awesome. Yeah. No.
swear. That is so close.
That was a drag race. Left lane.
For the record, I'm done trying to make y'all comfortable. For the record, you ain't trying to grow, then it's done for you. For the record, lab on me going all the way. For the record, ain't trying to link, no time to waste. For the record, yeah. For the